In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a route on Google Maps. Now, before I get into this video, I want to say make sure you watch this video the whole way through because I'm going to be explaining some concepts and I don't want you to miss out on anything. So yeah, make sure you watch it the whole way through. So Google Maps is incredibly hard to use for some reason. They make it very, very difficult. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to kind of do a workaround for this because you can't really technically save a route on Google Maps for some reason. But what you can do, so let's get the starting point. Let's say London. Let's say I want to go to Brighton or something. So let's say this is our route here. What you would do is there's like if you press options and stuff like that, like there's no way that you can just like save it in the way that you would want to save it, which is ridiculous, but you know that's how it is. Your best option here is to press this where it says send directions to your phone, and once you do that, it's going to ask for your email or your phone, and you can send it to your phone, and then that's going to sort of save it like that. That's like the best way that you can do it. I don't know why they don't have an option to save it. Like you can save lists and places, but you just can't save routes, and I don't know why. But that is the best you can do for it. Now, sorry that this video didn't give you specifically what you needed, but this is the best thing you can do. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below this video helped you so other people know that this is a good video to watch. Thank you for watching.